This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Numerous systems fitted to the vehicle require battery power to be available at all times, either to ensure their continued operation, such as the clock, or to maintain control unit memories which would be erased when the battery is disconnected. Although not essential, it is possible to preserve these settings by connecting an external power source, known as a memory saver, to the vehicle's diagnostic socket. Slide the seat fully forwards, release the clips and lift up the battery cover. Slacken the negative clamp retaining nut, then using a twisting motion, pull the clamp from the battery terminal. Position the clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Press the negative lead clamp firmly down onto the battery terminal, then tighten the clamp nut securely. Lower the battery cover and press the retaining clips into place. Where applicable, disconnect the memory saver from the diagnostic plug.